Tropical storm Elsa is making landfall right now along the Florida Gulf Coast. The storm strengthened in the Gulf of Mexico before coming ashore in Taylor County. Heavy rains and powerful winds are expected throughout the region. Officials are warning residents of possible power outages across the state. CBS News correspondent Mireya Villarreal has more from Mareya Island in Florida.
Overnight, Elsa pounding Florida's west coast, unpacking winds of up to 75 miles an hour and dumping up to 15 inches of rain. Its fury on full display here at Holmes Beach in the Florida Keys.
The rain's coming at all angles. You can see by the palm trees that it's blowing everywhere. It's coming at all angles.
While the force of the waves coming from the Gulf of Mexico sending water crashing over seawalls and turning roads into rivers further inland.
The wind kind of knocked me over. We had a decent gust and knocked me over.
Businesses and city buildings shuttered as nearly 36 Florida counties declared states of emergency. Governor Ron DeSantis warned people of what could come.
There are reports of flooded roads and trees down. Tornadoes remain possible across northeast Florida into this afternoon.
Earlier Tuesday, Elsa hammered the Keys and southwest Florida.
This rain is coming in sideways and smacking me in the face. It's a lot of wind.
It's the earliest fifth named storm on record. And while Floridians might be used to facing the tropical storm threat, Tampa Fire Chief Barbara Tripp had this warning.
A lot of times when you let your guards down and think it's nothing, of course, now you cause more injury or damage to the community as well as yourself and your families.
Georgia has declared a state of emergency, and also South Carolina is urging residents to prepare for some wet weather throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. Mireya Villarreal, CBS News on Mareya Island, Florida.
CBS News meteorologist and climate specialist Jeff Berardelli is tracking Elsa, and he joins us now with the latest. Hi, Jeff. As we mentioned, Elsa made landfall earlier today. Where exactly is the storm now, and where is it heading?
So the storm's located over North Florida. It's beginning to weaken as it should as it moves over land. It will continue to do so. Right now, a tropical storm, but eventually it will become a tropical depression. Here's the storm. You can see it made landfall around the Cedar Key area, right around there. Now it's making its way north, kind of spiraling out or unwinding a little bit. So that's indicative of a weakening phase. Very heavy rain around Gainesville, Ocala, Jacksonville, and that's headed into Georgia. That'll be the next step as we head through the next few hours or so. There's the forecast track. So during the day tomorrow, you'll notice that it's across the Carolinas in the morning, South Carolina, in the afternoon, North Carolina, with heavy rain in places like Columbia, South Carolina, Charlotte, and into Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina. And then eventually, it's not going to leave many places unscathed along the eastern seaboard. As you can see, it's going to move right to the southeast of Washington, D.C., probably deliver some heavy rain around New York City, and eventually into Boston as well as we head through Thursday and into Friday. And then, just in time for the weekend, things will finally begin to dry out. But in its wake, we're going to see very heavy rain. So you can see that red shading. That's a 4 out of 5 on the flood risk from the National Weather Service. But notice there in Houston, Texas, and south of that, we're under a 5 out of 5 flood risk from a different part of tropical moisture that's making its way across that area. So in terms of how much rain we're going to see right about there, that's about 3 to 6 inches of rain in North Florida and through the Carolinas. But look at this bullseye around Corpus Christi, Port Lavaca. That's as much as a foot of flooding rain that's possible in that area over the next couple of days, probably more.
Wow, that is a lot of rain. So, Jeff, Elsa is the first hurricane, right, of the 2021 season after briefly upgrading to a Category 1 storm overnight. Is it usual to have a storm this powerful this early in the season? And does it suggest we should expect another active hurricane season this year?
Yeah, it's a good question. So, yeah, typically we don't see our first hurricane until about the middle of August, so it's very early. And you heard Mireya mention that this is the earliest fifth named storm in the history of the Atlantic Basin, beating last year by a few days. So we're on pace with where we were last year. Last year, the most active hurricane season in Atlantic history with 30 named storms. It doesn't mean that's going to happen this year. You can't really correlate what happens early in the season to what happens late in the season. So there's really no telling exactly how active it's going to be, but it's likely going to be active because we're ahead of schedule and also because of climate change. Climate change is making the oceans warmer. Atlantic water temperatures have gone up around 2 degrees Fahrenheit, and so we can expect more intense storms and the possibility of even more storms in subsequent Atlantic hurricane seasons, and likely including this one.
Get out your galoshes. All right. Well, Jeff Berardelli, thank you so much.
You're welcome.